So back to the utility room. As you know, the switch was right there. I cut a access hole so I could drill through the studs and then run it down the stud pocket over to here. I put this old piece of wire as my fishing wire, and I got the old wire run up and connected to this here. So now all I have to do is come right here and just start feeding it through. I'll bring you back in a second. So now my new wire started through the wall, comes down this stud pocket over here. There's a room above here, so that's why you can't go the other way. And there's your wire. Already marked the switch, so just bend this over here out of the way and get a knife and cut it loose. And I'll take you upstairs and show you. So that wall right there is over this far in this room. This is the access hole right here. So got it pulled through. Once again, I used the cane and fished it through, and just slowly getting everything. Like this old wire here, all this runs up. I'm gonna run my switch wire and my power wire back to this box, but I'm gonna hook them both together, switch and power, and tape them to this, pull them up to this light right, this light right here, so I can do away with this old wiring and this old switch, and I'll put a new switch box and a new switch right here for this room. So now that we have it pulled out right there, so if you can see, it comes off underneath that room, comes under, comes across, and down into my box right there. See, like, this is why we're having to rewire this house. Just absolute madness. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things feeding off that one box, which is on one breaker. This box goes into another box that feeds off 5 more things, and then this black wire right here runs over through here, comes over right there, come over here, went into that junction box and fed three more things. It fed 4 outlets. It fed the outlets downstairs, the light for the master bedroom, and it fed the power and the switch for this room here. It comes up, comes to this light, and feeds here. So what I'm going to do here is, I don't want to knock a hole in the wall. I'm going to cut an access hole here. We'll take this kick plate off, cut a hole in the wall there, drill through the stud, run it over, send fishing line down the wall or something hard, grab the wire, pull it up to here, put a new switch right here. And then I can do away with all this crap. Because that ain't nothing but a good head knocker right there. Because this is only about 5'8" ceiling in here. It's not very tall up here in this room. But, so, we'll keep on getting it. But that's how I'm going to wire this room. Put a hole in the wall, bring it across, put it in, bring it up to this switch. And then it'll go back down over to this stud pocket here and come up to right here. And then you won't have to worry about these wires being hanging out like that one there either, because I mean, that is just a terrible job, as you can see. But we'll be fixing all that, and it'll look good when we're done. Alright, now we got our switch wire pulled in. We'll set our new box in real quick and show you what she looks like. And I am using a cut-in box. So you cut your hole, and it's got these little flaps right, where did it go? Well, I guess that one come off. It has these little flaps like this that kicks out when it's against the wall and holds it tight. Alright, well, slide that back into place there. Alright, she's coming along. New wire up the wall, across the stud pocket, and down to the ceiling for the switch. I'm getting my switches run because that's going to be the hardest part. And then I'll start to run my power wires. Like always, y'all have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the old abandoned farmhouse. And keep on rolling with the videos. Y'all have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you on the next one.